I said, hey, bartender, hey, man, look here.
Nice cream.
And this is the Peace Train. It is gin, vermouth, vinegar, peppercorn, a little maple syrup, and some yak butter.
Yak butter.
Hard to find an evergreen site. I'd use normal butter, but here we do.
Oh my god. Oh god!
Hey guys, my name is Gary. I'm not a bartender, and welcome to Casually Drinking. In this episode of Casually Drinking, we're gonna be taking a look at the Peace Train made by none other than John Cena, also playing Peacemaker. It's a very funny show. I really liked it, and when I saw the episode of Monkey Dory, I really wanted to make the drink. I don't know, it just looked interesting to me. So that's what we're gonna do. And as always, if you're new here, be sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, hope you enjoy. So the ingredients that Peacemaker used was gin, vermouth, a little bit of maple syrup, yak butter, but I don't have yak butter, but so I'm gonna use regular butter, some peppercorn, and vinegar. Kind of odd and weird list of ingredients he used. Hopefully it doesn't taste as bad as they showed it, so yeah, let's get started. And there you have it, the Peace Train. Looks a little brownish and smells like a little bit of maple syrup. That's what I'm getting. I guess the only thing to do is to try it now. So.
Oh, yum!
It's drinkable. You could really taste the syrup, which is good, but it still tastes like ass.
I hope you guys enjoyed. This is the Peace Train, also seen in Peacemaker. Give a like and subscribe if you're new, and as always, see you later. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.